mphathisa ugijima mangisuka la angazi noma imaki yakho right na.
Amen.
Bless the Lord, oh my soul. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, and all that is within me. Bless His holy, holy name. For He has done great things. He has done great things. He has done great things, oh yeah. He has done great blessings. Holy, oh, He has done great things. Great. He has done great things, oh yeah. He